Hello, the Chef George, owner of the company Events by George Catering. Today, let's cook beef fajitas. It's a super easy and delicious. Ingredients for this recipe. We have celery, we have cloves, oregano 2 spoons, cumin 2 spoons, black pepper, salt, minced garlic, onion in juliennes, green pepper in juliennes, and beef. I using hanger steak in this case. First step always, salt and pepper for every meat or every preparation. To take the flavor, the meat. Salt, pepper, and massage and mix everything properly. I put more, a little more. A little more salt, and more pepper. This is the first step always for every preparation. First step, in the fire, high fire, 2 spoons of olive oil. First step, we put in the fry pan the meat to sell and to be browny and to keep the flavor inside. After the meat is browny ready, we put green peppers. Mix. 3 minutes with the green peppers. We add the onion and juliennes too. And continue mix all together. We add the minced garlic. Adicionamos el apio. We add the celery. Continue mix everything for all flavors integrate the preparation. Now have beautiful color and smell. Woof! Very nice smelling here in the kitchen. Okay, time for the dry spices. We put 1 spoon of oregano, 1 spoon of ground cumin, and cloves. Everything is, all ingredients are in the preparation now. We need to cook at least for 30 minutes for the meat will be tender and perfect for it. For last, we add 1.5 cup of beef base and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, look how beautiful the meat is. Super tender. The flavor is incredible. It's very nice. Look the sauce. Look the sauce. It's very nice and the flavor is incredible too. I hope that you enjoy and let me make the presentation for the client. This is the final result. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. The beef fajitas. This one is for the delivery in the Whiteham Hotel for 40 people. Look how beautiful. Share, like, your comments are very important for us always. Every day we put a new recipe in our YouTube channel. We make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.